Hi, gang. Caffeine and BS, June 1st, 2019. The year's half over, man! Spring is moving into summer. Here, at least. Just the other day, I understand flooding in Oklahoma, Arkansas. It's horrendous. I thought it was bad because it was coming down bats and frogs here. I am sorry. I apologize to the people who got worse than I did. Early this morning I was going through my YouTube subscriptions, checking out the news videos. I ran across Steve Summers. The work was good. I'm thinking he should put his kid to work, give him an apprenticeship while he's young. That or take him into the family business, whatever. And then they mentioned Aussie 50 and apparently committed suicide. I was saddened by the fact that here's a potential friend that I didn't even get to meet. I'm stalled on the indexable hand wheel project for my shear line. A lack of suitable material. I'm going to be ordering some later this month. Let's see what shakes out between now and the live stream on the 7th. I've also been rethinking the problem I have with getting my 3-jaw chuck, my shearline 3-jaw chuck, to get one of its 3 jaws to line up with one of the cardinal points on my rotary table. From the math, that's looking like I'm going to need a 2.75 thousandths of an inch shim. And then there's the problems with if I over tighten or don't tighten enough. I've been thinking, I make a ring that go around the outer diameter of that 4-inch rotary table. A lot of space for 360 nice little lines. Easy to make resettable or rezeroable, resettable, rezeroable, adjustable, indexable, whatever you're going to do when your collar on your hand wheel will move. You can put it on a new 0. So you don't have to remember 37 and a half. Yeah. Anyway, I'm stalled on that. Material problems. I was using white PVC that was about 500,000 years old. So, fragile. I either want to use some white Delrin for the slippy, but I'm not too sure about if it's going to take my well, anyway, for the slippy, you know, the slippery coefficient, so I can just push it on and it has just the right amount of tension to stay where I put it, but it will move. Otherwise, it's that clear yellow acetate they make cheap screwdriver handles out of. I know how to work that. I know how to work the white Delrin. I've worked both of them. It's just that, you know, the acetate, you know, can age. You can get fragile. But that honey yellow plastic could be so good as an adjustable hand wheel graduation collar. Probably have to put a plastic screw through it, zero. I know that somebody makes these little itty bitty Allen screws in nylon. I've got a couple of them somewhere. They're in a safe place. It means when they clean out the house after I die, someone will find them. That's safe of a place, yeah. Anyway, I'm thinking, get one of them for each. 352 white nylon Allen screw. Yeah. Going through that honey yellow acetate. You can see the graduations through it. And just your lines at your tens and a number. Yeah. Simplify my work and still have it come out better. I've been rethinking my cylindrical grinding setup for my shear line lathe. I think I've been banging my head against a brick wall wanting to run my flex shaft handpiece backwards. It came to me, I take my shear line power feed, I unhook, bring it around, turn it 180 degrees, bring it around, set it behind the lathe, run a belt from it to the spindle, bang, automatically, for you, this way. Automatically, my lathe spindle's going backwards. I don't have to worry about getting the flex shaft going backwards. That way I won't have to fix that old flex shaft, that old motor I've been running my flex aid with. Don't have to dig into that 5 amp Dayton speed controller that obviously needs a little bit of love. Or a 5-pound sledge and 15 minutes of psycho love. What a... Anyway. Yeah. That may just be the exact ticket for cylindrical grinding on a shear line lathe. Use that power feed, swing it around, pull it around behind. That way, all them standard flexible shaft hand pieces, you don't have to worry. Will it unscrew from the shaft? How am I going to make the motor run backwards? Oh, that ain't a Fordham motor. Some people, they won't use anything but a Fordham motor and flex shaft. I prefer them when I could afford them. Now, hand pieces, only genuine Fordham. Unless I go for something really special, highly upgraded, like a Techno X. That's a nice hand piece. Anyway. Yeah. Later.